So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to World News 20 News channel. Rupee takes a hammering as crude prices surge after airstrike by US. The rupee on Friday plunged 42 paise to settle at 1.5 month low of 71.80 against the US dollar, while the BSE Sensex ended 162 points down as the crude oil prices shot up after US ordered the killing of the top Iranian general. Intraday, Brent crude surged 4.5% to $69.23 per barrel, and the WTI increased 4.1% to the $63.71 per barrel after worries over an escalation in the tension hit the sentiment. The rupee extended losses yet again on the back of the US-Iran tensions. The spike in the crude prices is making importers buy the US dollar to hedge net outflows for crude buying. If the crude prices go up further, the rupee will take a hit. If the US-Iran tensions escalate, it will be bad news for the global markets and currencies, dealers said. After dropping over 286 points intraday, the 30-share BSE Sensex ended 162.03 points or 0.39% lower at 41464.61. Similarly, the border NSE Nifty closed 55.55 points or 0.5% down at 1226.65. General Qasim Soleimani, head of the Iran's Allied Quds Force and architect of its regional security apparatus, was killed following a U.S. strike at Baghdad's international airport in Iraq Friday. The strike also killed the deputy chief of the Iraq's powerful Hashad al-Shabi paramilitary force. The Pentagon confirmed the death of the Soleimani, 62, in Iraq, saying the strike was carried out at the direction of the President Donald Trump. Besides US-Iran tensions, weak domestic equity market also weighed on the rupee. Safe haven assets like gold and the Japanese yen strengthened as investors assessed the risk dynamics. Traders said the near-term outlook of the rupee depends upon the outcome of the trade talks between the United States and China. As US continues to interfere in the Hong Kong issue, there are concerns whether the deal will happen or not. If the trade talks fail, then the US will go ahead with tariffs on Chinese goods from 15th December, said the Rupee research analyst. Currency and the commodity and the Radi shares and stockbrokers were not now ahead of the research. Georgia Financial Services said investors turned cautious as tensions emerged in the Middle East. Crude oil prices rose while strong dollar held IT and pharma stocks higher, with the market testing new highs. Emergence of the geopolitical tensions could force people to book some profits. Crude prices could turn volatile due to risk of the possible retaliation from Iran, which could impact the performance in the short term. Sectorally, power, auto, banks, finance, metal, utilities, and basic materials indices skidded up to the 1.20%, while in IT, tech, and healthcare rose up to 1.52%. The broader BSE mid-caps index settled 0.45% lower, while the small cap crowds closed in the green. Asian Paints was the top loser in the Sensex factor, dropping 2.16%, followed by the Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto, SBI, NTPC, and Bajaj Finance. On the other hand, Sun Pharma, TCS, HCL, Tech Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and Bharti Airtel rose up to 2.08%. So if you like the channel, so kindly subscribe to it.